Well, looks like it's that time. So these are the fan motors from microwaves that you find in the side of a microwave. So we're just going to chase a little bit of copper in this series. Okay, so this will go into our tub of scrap. I'll show you that in a second. And there's our copper spool. We'll separate that in a minute. And there's some metal in the middle right there. That'll also go with this. So these are just a couple of small transformers I've got. Normally I do this on the floor, but I thought, what the hell, we'll do it here today. So I just rest these on the two transformers and bang. You usually get two big transformers in a microwave you can do this on, not a problem. And we soon get a little pile going. You can also do this in a vise. How you do it is up to you. And it don't take too long to get them removed. Couple more here. That went in one. Okay, last one. That's it. Okay, next bit. Okay, these parts are now my scrap, and they're just going to go into this drum I've got. And that'll just get filled with some metal. And when it's time, it'll go back in the back of the car. Okay, next, you could hit this with a file now, just to make sure it is copper. But if they've got any little lugs, connectors on them, I like to rip them off. And they can go into that same pile as the other ones. This one's been a bit tough. Interesting. Oh, I'll cut through it. It's really thick actually, this one. Usually they just rip off. Let's see if we can find that one. That one's already been ripped off. So, there you go, see. Yeah, and then I throw them in the same tub. Still got metal in there. Okay, so that's all. Got them tags off. Now we're going to rip off the plastic sides here. And that's it. Now we can peel this off like so. Now sometimes the metal in the middle is loose. Just push it through if you want, or leave it in. I've left it in there, as you can see. The centre metal. And when we got all the copper off, we'll just throw this into our same tub of metal. Okay. Just remember to give it a cut, hit it with a file, just make sure you've got nice clean copper shine and not a silvery aluminum. So that one's fine. These are usually fine, but you should check them anyway, because you never know when they change the recipe on you. You know what they're like. Cutting corners with a cost saving, but they don't really pass it on to the consumer. So I won't put you through the rest of them. Sometimes you get jagged edges on here and it gets caught, so you know, try to cut them off. There we go, nice clean, been tested. Okay, now that's ready for our tub. We don't actually have to push this out because it's going in our light iron. Nice quick short video for you. I'm going to do the rest of these, and in the next one we're going to do donuts. Where's the video? There it is. These are for circuit boards and power supplies and stuff like that. And there we go, all bagged up, nice and ready to go. Now I don't purposely go out and buy these bags. You can get clear bags with like deliveries. Sometimes you get something in a clear bag, or I might purposely go out to Asda, buy a 24 pack of hot dog buns, and that's clearish bag, and then you know hot dogs for the family on the weekend, and then we've got another nice clear bag, you know. So I don't purposely go out and buy these bags. So there's our number 2. And if you're wondering what would happen if this was an alley winding after I cut it to check it, I plan on melting some alley windings to see how they come out, and melt some skulls and stuff with them. So it wouldn't have mattered to me. So it might matter to you to check it first, but it wouldn't have mattered to me in this case. So thank you for joining me in this quick short video. And like I said, we've got the donuts next, and some transformers and stuff. So thank you for joining me. Like, share and subscribe.